Hello, Unique family, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a very long awaited video for us. I actually did an experiment for about 2 weeks to see if a cleanser I saw on TikTok would actually work in our shower. So this is just the first week. I am uber embarrassed, but I pray the results are stunning.
That you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the trauma you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause I can't move on if you can't be strong.
Oh, what a difference another week makes. So now this is 2 weeks of me not cleaning my shower. Yes, I did not clean my shower, but I want to see if this works. So play along with me.
And it's my heart you're holding back again, and I can't be strong if you can't move on. Every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I love
So in this spray bottle here, I have at least a teaspoon of Dawn, baking soda, and vinegar. And this is supposed to magically clean my tub.
it always feels the same. 'Cause I loved you for a lifetime. Now is the time for you.
So a word of caution: when you spray this in your shower, make sure you have a window open or you're able to ventilate. So I sprayed the whole bottle, my content in here, and it says now to just wait for 30 minutes. And when we come back, we're supposed to be able just to wipe this all off, and it should become clean. So we will see. So we'll bring you back in a while to see if it really does work.
So here it is after. It looks so much better. Of course, there is some still a little bit of mildew, and I'm gonna find a thing for that. I have to look in all my old recipes. But there it is. That's what it looks like afterwards. It looks so much better than what it did. And if you would like to see how we made that solution, just let us know. Just let us know in the comments down below, and we of course will get that on for you. But I think it did pretty good. I think it did excellent considering what it looked like, because that was 2 weeks worth of dirt. But I think it turned out okay. Alright, bye.
Leave the